Hello guys, it's Chemo Gaming here, and today we are doing our second GTA 5 video on PS4. This is a game that I loved seeing it on YouTube, so I thought to myself to get the game right on GTA, which is like you could get it from online when you go to rockstar.com and just bookmark the game. So I finally got it, and I am going to try it by myself. I've seen other YouTubers trying it, but some of them did it, some of them didn't do it, but this is going to be hard. I think we jump down here. Oh, I got someone left. Oh, someone's parachuting. Oh, found him. He fell. He fell. So got the guy with the parachute left. Oh, he even died. Well, I obviously did nothing. Those guys are good. But it's 3-on-2. So it's basically like a death run, and you have to scope them with snipers. But there are no things above in the sky like to shoot, and they just fall on the players. So now we are the Olympiadas. I think the guy who created this is a PS3 gamer, so that's why he called it that. I think cause he made it. Oh no! I need a parachute. Not another chance. I'm not being John Cena here. I'm not being John Cena. No. Okay, we got snipers. And they'll come from here. Oh my god, there's so... A guy just committed suicide that fast. Come on. Oh no. How do we get up from here? What? He glitched. You son of a... Oh my god! Do you know, sniping is the worst thing for me. I'm so bad at sniping. Really so bad. I need to improve my sniping skills. Cause I need to scale it on the guy. So it's our turn now. I'll let them start first. We'll test where are the traps. I'll just walk. I need to be careful. Oh, uh-oh. Okay, this guy got scoped. No! Okay, it's okay. No? No, just move, move, move. Just move, man. Dude, move. Nice and slow. But I have to run. I have to run. Yes! Folks, I made it. The guy who's wearing red is the sniper. I don't feel like waiting. Oh. Oh my god! Yeah, someone did. Come on. Okay. No. Yes! I sniped him. Oh my god. Oh no, he got a jet. No! Oh my god. We lost the match. Oh. To be honest, this was a good game. But at least like we tried it. And we lost. I'm hopefully going to get back my revenge. So, ladies and gentlemen, This is how you play the snipers versus Omlipidas. I don't know how to spell the second one, Omlipidas, but thank you guys for watching. Please a thumbs up for this video, even though I didn't win. But that scope was a lucky scope, I can tell you that. And see you next time in Chemo Gaming.